What's up, y'all? Sweet Tooth here. Got to sink with this grill into some of this right herb for National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. This is the only product that mashes the two of these delicious products together. What I do is eat fast. Got to hit record on the first jar, so I got a second. Didn't expect to be eating two of these today, but here goes. Try and see how fast I can get this one down. First one went pretty smooth. Go. That's gonna do it. Got about 35 seconds on that one. I think it was a little bit longer than the first, but oh well. Anyway, happy National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. It's the Tooth. Stay fresh, keep it funky, and do work.